tell you that Vespa likes to do things differently? Look at the sporty, edgy new design, my friends. The unconventional orange and a classy matte black for the subtle class. That's some cool quotient redefined. So when someone asks me next, do you Vespa? I certainly want to say yes. So for now, ladies and gentlemen, let's get over to Imran.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Formally meeting. Okay, Imran, you're the first person to actually experience the new Vespa S. How do you feel? What do you think about it?
I think it's really, really cool. For me, honestly, Vespa's always been about style, about design. If you want to go down to the coffee shop, there are other ways to get you there. This is the way to do it stylishly. And I think that's what Vespa does better than anyone else.
Fantastic. So if I ask you, do you Vespa, would you agree?
Actually, there's actually a funny story about this. So a couple of years ago, 2012, I was in Florence with my wife. And we're roaming around, walking through the gullies, and finally we've reached this one little square, which is about the size of this stage. And there's this blue Vespa parked over there, and there's this Italian dude, decked up in a killer suit, sunglasses, leaning against the bike, smoking a cigarette. He looks like there's a photo shoot going on, like he's a model. But there's nobody there. This is just how this dude is chilling. So I've seen this, I'm like, wow, Italy, how cool. After that, my wife has gotten very excited and said, okay, we should also rent a Vespa. We should be driving around town. See how all these guys are riding Vespas. Now, I'm not sure if it was the scooter or if it was the dude's suit, but I figured I should cover all the bases. So after that, we had quite a fun vacation.
Okay. Tell me about your favorite feature about the new Vespa S.
I was actually sitting with the team backstage before the event started, so I got a little hands-on, which you guys will get later, I think. They've redesigned a lot of the stuff. The instrument console, the headlamps, the side view mirrors. Basically, they're stylistic design tweaks, which I think add a cooler element.
Wow. Okay. What about your forthcoming films? If you're given a chance, would you Vespa in them?
Actually, the next film I'm about to start has a scene which I think, depending on how the Vespa guys feel about it, if they feel it fits in well, I think that it would be a very good fit, yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Imran, and thank you for sportingly, stylishly posing with it. You look handsome in that.
Thank you so much.
And now we leave the forum open for the audience to shoot their questions around the new Vespa S. Please try to keep the questions around the brand. So, please join in.
Do we have a mic being handed out? Very good.
इमरान आपके राइट में
मेरे राइट पे
शायद दिखो नहीं मैं
yes
आलोक फ्रॉम OFM
Hi Alok, I recognize your voice.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि पहली बार कब आपने कुछ याद आता है बचपन में स्कूटर वगैरह पे बैठे हो घूमने के गए हो
पहली बार जब मैंने स्कूटर चलाया था मैं कुछ 13 साल का था हमारे घर में एक नया स्कूटर आया था गियरलेस और मेरी नानी ने कहा था कि इफ़ यू आर राइडिंग द स्कूटर देन यू हैव टू वेयर अ हेलमेट एंड एट दैट पॉइंट वो हेलमेट का लॉ नहीं था लेकिन नानी ने कहा था कि हेलमेट पहनना बहुत ज़रूरी है तो मैं और मेरे दोस्त दोनों जब घर से निकलते थे वी हैड टू वेयर दीज ह्यूज हेलमेट्स 13-14 साल के थे द हेलमेट वाज मेड फॉर एन अडल्ट हेड सो इट वाज एक्चुअली मे बी एट दैट पॉइंट इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ हैजर्ड
और अभी नहीं लगता कि अगर आप वेस्पा से जाएं किसी कॉफी शॉप में तो फैंस वगैरह आपको बहुत घेर लेंगे परेशान
अब हेलमेट मेरे साइज में मिलता है सो नाउ आई कैन कवर अप
थैंक यू
हाय हियर यू नो
But I still need to cover my face, sir.
इमरान हाय सॉरी थिंग इज दैट कि पेट्रोल के भाव इतना बढ़ गया तो कितना माइलेज देती है वेस्पा डू यू नो दैट
यार आई हैव नो आइडिया कितना माइलेज देती है सर ओवर 60 but again let's be honest if you're buying this you're buying it for the style factor not for mileage
so Imran here hi
hi
you're looking great man
thank you
so Imran
I can't see you but
should I come
nahi theek hai
so you have been very cautious about your image as Imran, and you are a heartthrob and a celebrity. People follow you like anything. So when it comes to endorsing a product, how conscious, how aware are you about the credibility of the product, about the pros and cons of the product you are endorsing?
Really, for me, it never really comes down to a financial thing. That becomes a secondary thing, a secondary factor for me. My primary interest is in a brand fit. What does the brand stand for? What is their communication? What are their creatives? All of these things. So for me, that is always the first thing that I look at. Is it a fit with my personality?
Media appearance करने में और after your film. So may I know the reason why you were under the wrap?
Sorry. Yes, I was on holiday. Christmas से लेके कुछ 2 हफ्ते पहले तक. I've been on a very, very long extended vacation. It's the last holiday basically before the baby is born. आपको तो पता ही होगा that my wife is pregnant. तो we went on what is called a baby moon. सुना है कभी आपने? शादी के बाद लोग हनीमून पर जाते हैं और बच्चा पैदा होने से पहले लोग बेबी मून पर जाते हैं. It's the last holiday before you have your child.
So how was the baby moon?
Very relaxing.
Hi Imran, this is Sohail.
Hi.
Hi. There's a belief like the bikes are meant for the guys. In fact, like the scooties are like mainly for the girls. But wo beliefs thoda. How much do you
go to
believe in
Italy?
this
Your
particular
beliefs
thing?
will change very quickly.
So we're talking something about India. In fact, like So what's your belief in that? Do you prefer a bike or a scooty?
Yeah, for me it really does come down to 2 things. I've never really been much of a bike guy. If I'm completely honest, I never really even learned how to ride a bike, which is why this is a little more convenient for me, and it's stylish. नहीं, this is because I thought it was cool. क्यों आपको नहीं लग रहा है?
Imran, आपने अभी का आप break पे थे. अब which is the next film that you're doing? When do we see you next?
The next film I will start is currently it's untitled. It's being directed by Nikhil Advani, but we're not going to start until after the baby is born. I wanted to take a little time to be with my family at this point.
Okay, Imran, how are you planning to celebrate like your baby's coming? So how much are you excited and everything? Could you please share anything with us?
Oh God, it's madness. Yeah, suddenly I found I'm doing all these things. I'm online. I'm researching what baby ke car seats hote hain na to put over there. Which is the best crib you're supposed to buy? All of these new things have come into my life now. So this is how my days are spent. It's fun, but I'm thinking about things that I never thought I would think about. नहीं मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ यार. क्यों आपके? You're talking about the film, aren't you?
Hello.
Sorry, I have not seen it.
Imran, what spots? Right
Where?
here.
Ah, that's it. Hi.
Hi. What spots in your locality would you love to ride your Vespa?
I'm sorry?
The spots in your locality. Where would you choose to ride this Vespa?
The very first time that I rode out of my house on a scooter, remember I was telling you that story earlier on, I was 13 years old, 14 years old. Right here on Bandstand, there's a place called Camp Juice Center, which fortunately is still there. That was the big thing for us. We used to go to Camp Juice Center, we used to have pav bhaji, we used to have Mosambi juice, and that was like an outing. That was the coolest, deadliest thing. I think it would be nice to relive that, to do that once again. Actually, we got 2 bikes here. You wanna?
Yeah, I think.
That's it?
Thank you very
ठीक है.
much, Imran.
हो गया.
Thank you all for the lovely questions. And now it's time to wrap up the event. That was the elegant and classy Imran for you. Thank you so much for being here with
Thank
us.
you.
A round of applause, my friends, for Imran.